how to use Dollar Tree items to make a one-of-a-kind side table. Hey guys, Uniqueness Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be starting off by gluing these two bowls that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'll be using this strong adhesive to glue both bowls together. I'll be gluing on two more bowls to what I already have, one at the top and one at the bottom. And my reason for doing this is to increase the height. There are a lot of other ways for you to increase the height for a side table, but I'm taking this route because I have more bowls and I would love to have this very stable. I took it out and I spray painted just the middle part silver. I'm going to keep this aside and take plates that I got from the Dollar Tree, and this one comes in a set of 4. I'll take one out. And I'm also going to be using Dollar Tree mirror. And after I have detached the mirror from the frame, I'll be gluing it on to the plate. I made another one because I need 2 for this project. I'm going to take one of what I've just made and glue it on top of the bowls that I spray painted silver. These are Dollar Tree tongs that I'm going to be using, and I used 10 packs for this project. I'm going to separate them and glue them to the bowls. Because the construction adhesive has a 0-second grabbing effect, it was perfect for this project. When I was done, I went round again with hot glue, and then the rough parts that you see on top here will be covered with Dollar Tree gems. So I basically used the hot glue over the strong adhesive just so that I'll be able to move the table around even before it's dry. I'll be adding more gems at the bottom. When I was done with that, I kept it aside and took 2 candle holders from the Dollar Tree, glued them together, and spray painted them gold. I decided to just use gold because I wanted gold and silver on that table. It will be glued to a Dollar Tree wooden plaque for more stability. I was looking for the round shape wooden plaques, but I couldn't find anyone, so I'm going to be using the square one. I added silver tape to the sides and glued one mirror on one side of the wooden plaque. And after that, I'll be gluing all the candle holders to it. Two candle holders might be too high for this table, so I'm going to do another one with just one candle holder. I'm going to go ahead now and glue on the other mirror plate to the wooden plaque. So before the glue dried, I had to remove the candlesticks and use just one candlestick because it was too high. And then I added gems to the bottom of the candle holder. And with this, you can probably put just one item on it. But if you have a wider mirror, you can put more items on the table. This table is super sturdy, well balanced, and can hold most heavy decor items. Thank you all so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.